Of course, there's a funnier bit. I'm not sure that you'll actually know. In the portion where you're shooting against that limestone structure, these were.
This I told you, Rajiv.
Karan Johar actually had the runs on that particular
Yeah.
day, and while the two of you were being sort of choreographed under the baton of Farah Khan, Karan was depositing a souvenir for Egypt. Tell us, Karan.
It happened. I used to have a weak tummy actually, and I remember that we didn't have any kind of way of going to the loo. At those days, we weren't so production evolved to carry those things. So I remember in the middle, this I've told you, so I know. I had the runs, as you said, and I desperately had to go. And this is going to sound terrible, I'm sure, on national television, but I actually went behind one of those. Limestone structure. So there was meanwhile happening like this moment of high romance, sensuality and beautiful passion, and me leaving my debris behind in the deserts of Egypt.
But I think it is one of the most romantic craps in the history of Indian cinema. You know, Suraj hua madham chand jalne laga.
Or whatever rhymes with that.
And phatapat nikalne laga, whatever. I mean,
or
I
chand
think it
jalne laga could have another meaning altogether.
And I do remember taking pictures of you and Farah post that. Somewhere near the same
time. You had washed your hands, I hope.
I know Farah would tell you that.
I don't know. I really don't know.
Okay. On a cleaner note, K3G of course there were 4 other actors in the film. For the two of you, was he as close to the other actors as he was to you all? Did you all feel like he had sort of equal love for everyone, or did you all feel like you all still shared something special with him on that film?
See, like if I say he showed a lot of love to everyone on the set, but he was acting with everyone else except us, it would sound wrong.
But it's the truth.
But it's the truth. We like to believe that. But yeah, Karan at that time, he had, obviously, we all have huge amount of respect for Amit ji and Jaya Aunty.
Right.
And we know his association with them beyond the fact that they are great actors and the most respected couple and people in the film and otherwise. But yeah, I mean, he used to touch their feet when they came on the set, which he never did with us. And in Khan, he started doing it.
Finally, the nicer couple.
And with, and Karan has a youth problem. He's obsessed with youth. Okay. So that time, Dugu and Kareena were youthful. So he used to, rush to them and be in their makeup room and...
what lies?
So
that is lies. Was that? It's not true.
Yeah,
it's true.
I remember I walked into them once. Kareena,
walked into them?
Yeah, the 3 of them were having a meeting about a scene and they were 3 talking to each other in a mirror. They were so obsessed with youth and looks. The 3 of them were talking, looking in the mirror to each other. Hi, Kareena. No, I just think you should... And they're talking an intense scene.
It was...
And that's when I realized that, we will never be able to beat that.
Right.
Because Karan has always spoken to us looking in eyes, never in the mirror. And then he got over youth and respect. And he came back to us. So, that's it.
Okay. Before we go into break, Kajal, I want to ask you, tell me what's the most irritating habit of Karan Johar and Shah Rukh Khan?
For Karan, it's definitely his socializing. I think he's on Twitter, Facebook, BB, SMS, phone, and what is the new one?
Meeting.
No. There is another, some social networking or some Orkut.
I'm not on Orkut.
No, but there's another one. He's on that.
Personally, that is not socializing.
And one second.
And when it's discovered, he will be on it.
It's my turn. Okay, relax. Secondly, he very regularly, very religiously updates everything. Even if he's writing complete crap, he wishes people happy birthday on his status and all.
That's sweet, actually.
Yeah, but why? I mean, what is
it's your status,
what is
man.
the need? Yeah.
Well, I feel that I must see.
Exactly.
I remind
one
which Shah Rukh will tell you.
Shut up.
I remind him of people's birthdays. I just feel this is a nice on BBM on BlackBerry. If you write the happy birthday, say Rajiv,
random
then all the people who know,
all
the people who know you.
Random people he's wishing. By the way, they're random people that he's wishing.
Who did I wish last?
Twitter?
Who was the last person I wished? Who you're considering random right now?
Okay, I don't want to say that right now.
Of course she can't.
What about Shah Rukh, Kajal?
That's something that's been asked to me before, and I have nothing to say because I seriously.
मेरे बारे में तो.
That is very
there
nice.
is no really. I truly think. I mean, he may have.
मेरे बारे में तो लंबी चौड़ी list थी. About Shah Rukh there was
my
nothing.
God, one thing I said about you, for heaven's sakes.
Anyway.
Okay, that's very nice actually. Let's take another short break on the show. We'll be back in just a few minutes. Don't go away.